Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with a reading of August 2021. So let's see what we have. So recently I did a free live tarot for Instagram. I'll be soon coming for my YouTubers also. My YouTube White Light Tribe, I will be coming. I will announce the dates. So here I am with my monthly tarot for Capricorn. So let's see what we have. August 2021, August. Capricorn, sorry. Uh, Capricorn. So, Capricorns, I feel you're trying to balance out your life a lot this time in August. Somewhere in August, you are trying to strike a balance between materialistic world and home world. That's what I feel. There's a lot of ideas, a lot of financial ideas, I will say, something to do with maybe you're trying to create something in your business, in your work, that kind of things. A lot of things are going on in your mind. Your work is doing fine, and there's a lot of growth also you're looking forward to. So, the first week of August for you Capricorns is going to be a time where there's a lot of abundance coming your way. Okay, there's a lot of abundance. There is a lot of happiness in your life. There is a lot of good relationship, work is happening properly, everything is going fine. That's kind of energy in the first week. Second week, you're going to be in your full potential. You're going to even be better. Maybe people who are on social media will do much better. People who are on some kind of a place where there's a lot of creativity involved. Okay, a lot of videos, making videos like me is involved. Somewhere where you're always showing yourself out, that is involved. So that those people especially are going to do well. But generally Capricorns will be in their full potential in the second week of August. And the third week, you're in your power, you have money, you have position, you have popularity, you have everything in the third week. And the fourth week, you are building again something new from the money you have earned. You're keeping your new breaks. You're enjoying your luxury, the money that has come to you, the happiness that has come to you, the materialistic world that you have stepped into. So everything is really going very, very good, and then you're going to build more in that in the fourth week. And you're also going to enjoy a lot of luxury, maybe spa, maybe buying things for yourself. And I have a feeling that people who are looking to buy a house might buy a house in the fourth week of August. So I think it's a good month for Capricorns, isn't it? It's a very good month for Capricorns. And in this month, I think whatever you want will happen. The only block is you are looking behind, Capricorns. You are just not in a good state of mind where you want to leave your past, or you constantly want to think about the past, or you're getting too emotional about the thing that has already happened. Okay, so just come out of that negative thinking. You have to be very, very positive in the month of August. See, can you see this? So in the month of August, you have to be very, very positive, and good things are coming to you. There are amazing things coming to you, right? So be positive and look forward to a lot of spa and a lot of good work coming your way, and a lot of money coming your way, and a lot of abundance coming your way. So it's a beautiful month for you, Capricorns, right? It's an amazing month. But just one thing, that you have to be positive. You have to leave all the past behind. Do not look into the past, and don't meet people who only talk about the past. Just keep away from such people, because they always bring you down. They are normally, I call them energy vampires, who will always talk of the past and try to drain your energy, right? So let's see what we have in relationship area. Okay, so let's start with our relationship reading. Capricorn relationship. Wow. So the thing is, Capricorn, in the month of August, You want your dreams to come true, which are coming true in your work area for sure. In a way, in your relationship area also, what you're going to do in the month of August, you're going to stop thinking, because this card is reversed. You're going to stop thinking your decision is made. You're not going to be confused and imagine things. You're not going to be in your head at all. But at the same time, whatever you have decided, okay, whatever you have decided, you're not taking a lead in that. Okay, although you have decided what you want, you're ready to embrace that person or that relationship that you are thinking about right now. You want your dreams to come true, everything that you believe in, but you're still not stepping forward. Let me see why. Why Capricorns? I think you've stopped even meditating on it, or maybe thinking about it, where you were trying to reason why you're not ready to see again. See, although you know this is that person, I want this relationship, I want to heal this relationship, or whoever you're thinking about, or even if it's your spouse, everything is very sure in your life, but you're not still ready to release your fears. You have stopped even meditating on it. Maybe you were doing an inner check or something on it. That also is done. Everything, you know, this is the one. Okay, but you are not seeing or going forward because of your darkest fears. See, you have to release your fears, Capricorn, because that is actually blocking you from having true love in your life. Remember, fear is the biggest enemy. You are wanting to reach there, you want that sunshine in your life. Okay, and I think you're not going to choose between two people. Normally, this card signifies that, but I feel you will keep both the people in your life right now, for now, because you're very sure that you need each one in their own space. Okay, so somewhere you're still not taking a step, although you're very sure of that person. You're not taking a step in the month of August. You still need to heal a little bit more, I feel. The healing will only come to you with time. That's what I feel. You will only take step with time. You're still fearing. Maybe there's fear of rejection, maybe there's some other fears that you're holding on from the past. But I feel, Capricorns, now as you have seen this video of mine, fear only blocks everything in your life. Maybe the person you're wanting to express your love, or maybe the relationship you're wanting to repair, will walk away from you forever if you don't if you don't take a step. Right now, it's very important to take a step. So you are still not ready in the month of August to take a step, although all the feelings, all the surety is there in your heart. Right? Work on your fears. Now you will ask me how to work on your fears. You have to do a self-talk. That's what I feel. Talk to yourself. Why does this fear hold such a strong space in your heart? And start writing down and connect the dots. That's how you will overcome your fears. This is the only way. Okay? Candle magic, I can tell you. Everything I can tell you. But the amount of surety you get when you actually have a self-talk works better. Right? Okay? So let's see what my fairies and your fairies, not just mine, fairies are giving you the message. Capricorns. Okay, so let me collect my cards. And my stool today is, I don't know why it's shaking so much. Okay. One message for Capricorns for August. Work has been extremely good for Capricorns. Okay, transformation. That's a lovely card. This fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. So maybe you're going through a very big transformation. Everything good is happening in your life. Everything positive is happening in your life. And you need to release your fears, because that is actually blocking you from moving forward. Right? So you have to work on yourself, Capricorns. because otherwise holding fears is going to block you in your relationship area, and that might affect your work also, because your work is doing absolutely fine in the month of August, right? So that's all for today. Please be safe, take care of your health. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, share it with family and friends so that more people can benefit, and call me for paid appointment only, and email me for paid appointments only at White Light Healing Center with the ER@gmail.com. It's there in the description. And like my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me there because I do a lot of work there too. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye bye. Bye bye.